Welcome back to John Kleis Car's YouTube channel. My name is Connor. We've got Paige behind the camera, our latest newbie to the John Kleis team. Today's a little walk around video to basically show you what we've got in as of today and only today, which is July the 9th, Thursday. So we're going to start off with this absolute weapon behind me, which is a Jeep Grand Cherokee SRT 8. And if you don't know what that basically means, it's a 6.1 litre V8 Hemi engine car, absolute monster. What we've done is we've done a Kenwood DMX 8021, put a custom logo on it, 3-year warranty on this unit when it's fitted by ourselves. We've also fitted front flush parking sensors on it because the customer only had rear sensors. And we've also installed a reverse camera, which is right there. You get a great image on the reverse camera. The customer's come in for a few bits. It's taken a couple of days to do, but turned out absolutely spot on. I'm coming into one of our workshops. We have installed a lead currently on this rather large motorhome here, which is actually having a Kenwood sat-nav unit. The top of the range Kenwood sat-nav, one of the best ones available, meaning you can actually put in your dimensions of your motorhome so you don't get led down the wrong garden path. It's designed to take you down the road your vehicle is compatible with. Currently actually being fit at the moment, so you won't see a lot. It's just a work in progress, which my colleague's showing you right now. Not really finished at the moment. We've got a VW Transporter T6 here. Didn't have Apple CarPlay because it had a basic head unit. It's now got the Pioneer DA130 double DIN fitted, all flushed in there, now giving the customer Apple CarPlay. And then if we're going to go to the other workshops, we'll show you what else is here today. Another large motorhome in today as well, also having a Kenwood DNR 992, which is the top of the range sat-nav model. Again, allows the customer to put dimensions of his vehicle, meaning this big motorhome here won't get taken down the wrong roads. This one is actually finished. Oh, it's fall off. I'll take the little cover off. And that's actually the Kenwood system fitted. That's what it will look like in the other one. Best model, again, 3-year warranty, but it's actually got Garmin navigation in, so it's built-in navigation opposed to relying on your phone. And over the other workshop, Matt is currently on this Viano doing a job. He's actually installing a new Kenwood double DIN, but it's a work in progress. Can't show you that at the moment, but he's also going to be fitting new door speakers on it as well. In here, this is a Skoda Superb. Not sure how or why, but the customer has got not one, not two, not three, but 4 blown mid-bass drivers in the bottom of the doors. He's clearly been playing it too hard. So he's got the Audison speakers going in. Not like for like, we fit something slightly better than the factory Skoda unit. So it's having Audison speakers, direct replacements, no modification, going straight in. Meaning he can leave here with 4 working speakers. And then the Creme de Creme job that's in today is in the other workshop over here. And in here, as I mentioned, Creme de Creme, we have a Mark IV Golf R32 in this absolutely stunning shade of blue. Extremely mint condition, rare model. It's coming from a rather large audio system. There is a full video on this, so I won't go into massive detail, but we've got one of the best subwoofers in the world, the JL10W7. 2 Audison amplifiers underneath, the new Forza range. We have front and rear speakers. We have fully soundproof doors. Unsoundproofed, soundproofed, soundproofed, unsoundproofed. And then we have the Audison Voce 2 in the tweeters fabricated in the panels right here, just to keep it as subtle as possible, but you weren't going to hide them because they're too big. Anyway, that is a quick walk around on the 10th of July, Thursday. We've got Connor in front of the camera, Paige behind the camera. We'll see you soon.